In order to hook up your Idaho Jones Cushy Flange to your Unimom Opera, you do have several options. The first, which will work for most people, is that you can simply remove the Unimom Opera flange and push and twist this into place. The only challenge here is that this is about 1.5 millimeters to 2 millimeters bigger than the average flange. So for some people, they may find that if they have more movement while pumping, it could come loose. So that is something we want to be mindful of. When you take your Unimom Opera flanges apart, you do have a wide mouth adapter that is automatically included in the setup, which means you could use the Nini Supply wide mouth adapter, or you can use the Unimom wide mouth adapter that's also sold by Idaho Jones. And what you can do there is you can take your Cushy flange and twist it into this adapter. Again, press and twist until you feel resistance when you twist, and then you know you've got a secure connection. If you do not like the adapter setup, what you can do is you can remove this wide mouth adapter that automatically comes with the pump, and you can use a Unimom Medela setup, which is a narrow neck, so it'll reduce one piece that you have to take care of. And then again, you would push and twist to get your Cushy flange into place until you feel the resistance. That is all you need to do to be ready to pump with the Idaho Cushy Flanges with the Unimom Opera.